We did it. We did it. We did it. Somehow, I pulled one out of my ass, and we managed to clutch on the last game. What is that? Level 4? Rank 4. I...
One eternity later.
Thumbnail. Yeah. Holy shit. Ooh, an 85 times 3, 100k pack, and 50k coins with 1.5. Now, that is actually interesting because... Let me go back. Because I think I have the... I think I'm near the 84 times 5. And I think I have the 83 times something right now, or I might be wrong. I have the 84 times 5 right now. Yeah. Are we gonna take a 100k pack, or we're gonna take... I don't care about the 85k pack. You know, I'm gonna tell you something straight up. I don't think for level 40 I'm not gonna take Cunha or Kone. I'm gonna take the 86 times 3. Call me crazy.
We do not care.
But I just like fodder right now. So sue me. What I really want from the Trailblazers promo is a Griezmann or a Hansen from Barcelona. I would take a Messi untradeable. I would take a lot of people, to be honest. Let me just go to the Twitch app on my phone so that, you know, in case someone is watching and I don't miss anything. But yeah, man, it's crazy. Creator mode. Nice. Nice, 0 viewers. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Please, for the love of God, be someone good. Oh, see, Harry Kane for that full dot is really, really nice. Ah, shit, bro. Thank God. Okay. Oh, bro. I didn't even realize, bro, the camera is in the way. I'm really sorry. Let me move that. Give me a second. Give me a second. All right, second player pick. Please give me Hansen or Mbappe. I know. I already have Mbappe untradeable, but just give me that, you know, shot power.
Bruh.
I'll take a walkout Dybala. I'll take a Dybala. Really decent. Last one, please. Without hesitation, we're gonna take Rudiger. If it was, you know, someone like, how much is he now? 50k? 60? Holy shit, he's 60. If it was someone like Eder Militao, I would be head over heels right now. But it's not. So, oh my god, bro. We're gonna open the 84, the jumbo pack. English striker Harry Kane. Arsenal. Who the fuck is this? Oh, Russo. Not too good, not too bad. It is what it is. Martins, okay, Sugita, Lemar. Wow. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Alright, so the 84 times 5 is untradeable. Ultimate pack. Come on, please give me something. English, right back. Trent. Okay. Double walkout? No double walkout. I am hoping for a Kyle Walker or someone, you know, 100k or more. Damn. Alvarez. For a second, I thought that was like someone really good for some reason in my head. Gravenberch, nice. Ramsey. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we're going somewhere. Not that bad, not too good, not too bad. I think I'm gonna open the 84 times 5 first because it is untradeable. Give me a promo. No promo. Italian center mid Verratti. Barella. That is even better. No double walkout from the 84 times 5. I'm happy with the Brella, bro, but not getting a double walkout is crazy. What the hell, EA? EA, I swear.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
Worth 100K or more. I am begging you, I'm on my knees. It's a double walkout at least, bro. Allison, I'm happy with that, to be honest. He's like, what, 25, 30K? I already have him untradeable. Okay, Parejo. Okay, Allison and Stones. Those were really under, how can I say it? Those packs were underwhelming.